Okay, next thing we find the energy, total energy of a atom. You know, energy is equal to the sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy, you know, is equal to half mv square. But at that, okay, in the physics, okay, we take, okay, potential energy is equal to mgh. But in that case we take the electric potential energy, okay, is equal to k q1 q2 upon r. Okay, k q1 q2 upon r. In a second chapter we will continue ki how we take, okay, and why we take the potential energy is equal to k1 k into q1 q2 upon r, because it is the electrostatic potential energy. Okay, so then you know half mv square माइनस जेड ई स्क्र अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट इंटू आर. अब जहां पे के की प्लेस पे आपने 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट पुट किया है, आर एज इट Q1 जेड ई एंड Q2 ई स्क्र. ओके, तो दैट्स मीन वी टेक जेड ई स्क्र. ओके, Q1 की वैल्यू क्या है जेड ई एंड Q2 की वैल्यू क्या है ई, तो दैट्स मीन जेड ई स्क्र. Okay, again now next half mv square from the equation number 1. Okay, mv square is equal to z e square upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. So I write half mv square into half z e, because half mv की है mv square अपॉन आर की वैल्यू तो आपके पास जेड ई स्क्र अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट इंटू आर स्क्र है, वेयर वी टेक द हाफ एम बी. If we take a half mb, so that's mean half into z e square. Okay, half into z e square upon 4 pi epsilon naught into r multiply 2. Okay, so that's mean we take z e square 2 into 4 2 into 4 8 epsilon naught e r minus z e square upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, इस वैल्यू पे आप, ओके, एट द दिस वैल्यू वी पुट दिस वैल्यू फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन नंबर 1, जेड ई स्क्र अपॉन 8 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट आर माइनस जेड ई स्क्र 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट आर. ये वैल्यू वी हैड ऑलरेडी given from the potential energy, and this value we take from the equation number 1 at the place of a half mv square. Okay, so now common z e square, from this value we take a common z e square upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. Inside क्या बचेगा 1 by 2 minus 1. So when we take the LCM, so we have a, okay, minus 1. So that's mean we put the value minus z e square upon 8 pi epsilon naught r. Okay, now from that next step is here. Okay, we put the value of r from the this equation. Okay, we put the value of r from this equation. So that's mean you know r is equal to n square h square epsilon naught upon z e square pi m. Okay, so now you know it is in a reciprocal form, so that's mean we can say 1 upon r is equal to z e square. Okay, z e square we take the minus z e square upon into pi m e upon 8 pi epsilon naught n square h square into epsilon naught. Okay, now m minus m e square is equal to the, okay, 4 e की power 4 in dot z, okay, square upon 8 pi epsilon naught n square h square into epsilon naught, because where also z is here, so then we can take z square. Okay, because the value is z e square upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So that's mean e is equal to minus m e 4 z square upon 8 pi epsilon naught n square h square into epsilon. So now we can take epsilon na square. Okay, we take epsilon, okay, epsilon square. So according to the, this one is the formula of energy means we can say to find the energy of atom we use this formula minus me4 dot, or we can say into z square upon 8 pi epsilon naught square n square h square. But at in this case of hydrogen atom, energy of a hydrogen atom, we take the constant value minus 13.6 by divided by n square electra volt. We use this constant value for the hydrogen atom. Energy of hydrogen atom is equal to the constant value which minus 13.6 upon n square into electra volt. Electra volt is the unit of energy. So this one is about the radius and energy derivation of a atom. Next thing is the energy level and atomic spectrum. According to the energy of a atom, En is equal to minus me4 z square upon 8 pi epsilon naught square n square into h square. So from that we take a hydrogen atom EH is equal to the constant value minus 13.6 upon n square. Suppose when the n is 1, n is a magnitude is the 1 means the energy level in 1. First energy level means we can say that ground level. According to this graphically representation, first energy level is in a ground level. So that's mean put the value of n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. So then I1 is equal to minus 13.6 upon 1 square. So we can take minus 13.6 electra volt. Means at a ground level, means at a first energy level, the energy is equal to minus 13.6 electra volt. And when the value of n is equal to 2, so then E2 is equal to minus 13.6 upon 2 square. So we can take minus 13.6 upon 4. From that, the value is a minus 3.40 in the second energy level. And next, when we put the value of 3, so we take a 1.5 minus 1.5 electra volt. And at a last up to so on, when the n is at infinity, its energy is equal to a 0. Means at a infinity, energy is equal to a 0 electra volt. After that, it increase the energy. It increase the energy in a positive form. I repeat, according to this formula, we take up this constant formula, EH is equal to minus 13.6 upon n square, and in this formula we put the value one by one, in a first energy level, in a second energy level, in a third energy level. It's simple, calculate the values. From these calculation, we take a minus 13.6 or minus 3.40 minus 1.51 up to so on. At a infinity, its value is 0. Means when the n is equal to infinity, its energy is 0. इस concept को समझने के लिए from that, we use this diagram. At a center, nucleus is here, and next second, third orbit. When the shells are increased, n is equal to means n value of n increase, so then electrons are free. Suppose there one is the one electron is here, and second electron is here, and third electron is here. Now if this electron want to exist the atom, ये बाहर निकलना चाहता है, सपोज कीजिए ये इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो एग्जिस्ट करना चाहता है एटम से, तो दैट्स मीन दे नीड मोर एनर्जी, दे नीड अ more energy but at that case in the this shell electrons are free, okay, it need less energy to exist the atom. Means when the distance is increased, so that's mean the less energy is required to the existing of a atom. विच वन इलेक्ट्रॉन, ओके, मीन्स जैसे ही एन की वैल्यू इंक्रीज होती जाएगी उतनी ही आपको एनर्जी की लेस नीड रहेगी फॉर एग्जिस्टिंग द एटम, नॉट आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, okay, this one is the energy level. Next thing is the atomic spectrum, okay, not we derive the formula, just there one is the one, okay, formula is here which you focus on it. From this formula, okay, we continue is important concept in this chapter, okay. In previous exams, okay, if you check the previous exam in 2023, 2 or 3 marks question, okay, related to the atomic spectrum, okay, means the energy, okay, shells also are here, okay. It's a most important formula or concept, okay, we can derive from the atomic spectrum.